Hello, everybody. So we are more or less 20 people connected. We will begin in a few minutes. The time other ones will connect. Normally 40 participants registered for this workshop. So I will wait one more additional minutes and we will begin with the presentation of the TwInSolar project. And after the workshop, our two colleagues from the DTU. So the TwInSolar project aims at strengthening the innovation and research capacities of the University of La Réunion, with a focus on the massive integration of solar energy production in La Réunion and other insular territories. So this project is led by the University of La Réunion, and the project uses a twinning approach to foster good practices and knowledge exchange, like today, between the University of La Réunion, the Technical University of Denmark, DTU, and we have two colleagues today that will present the first workshop, and the Fraunhofer IC, that is the Institute for Solar Energy System. So these two institutes are both internationally renowned research institutes in the field of solar energy. The participation of the Réunion's Regional Research and Innovation Agency, Nexa, and the Islands Commission of Conference of Peripheral Maritime Region, CPMR, will ensure the large dissemination of the project's results and its replicability at the regional, European, and international levels. The project will last 3 years, from September 2022 to August 2025, and is funded by the European Commission under the Horizon Europe program as part of the widening participation and spreading excellence actions. So I will speak a little bit about the workshop. So this first workshop is belong to a series of 3 workshops that will take place in February. So this first one is online, and the two following one will be only in La Réunion, and the last one will be hybrid with the Fraunhofer. So this first workshop, in this first workshop, DTU experts will give another view of existing technologies suitable for integrated PV in the building environment. The DTU team will focus on challenge in integrating PV in the building environment, and the DTU team will focus on challenge in predicting BIPV performance and appearance in connection with coloring materials, as well as more general design and technical economic consideration for sizing BIPV system. So today we have 2 speakers. So first one is Sun, or excuse me for the presentation of your name. So Sun Torsteinsson, is it okay? So Sun obtained his Master of Science from the DTU in 2006 within applied physics. So after working 2 years in the semiconductor metrology industry, Sun started in 2009 as development engineer in a solar startup, which was developing advanced PV modules with laminate integrated electronics. Within this job, Sun acquired deep knowledge within module design, module encapsulation materials, as well as fabrication of especially back contact modules. From 2012, Sun has been employed at the Department of Photonic Engineering at the DTU, where he has conducted research in the different aspects of applied photovoltaics within standalone system, characterization of PV, and development and characterization of BIPV system, and has contributed to build an applied PV group at DTU. Currently, the research area is BIPV systems. In 2018, Sun was the driving force in launching a specialization in solar energy at DTU, and have developed a co-developed 4 on-campus courses within PV, and been heavily involved in developing one MOOC, photovoltaic system, which is running on Coursera. In 2021, Sun awarded his PhD degree based on research within applied PV, and Sun is currently teaching PV energy engineering courses, as well as supervising bachelor's and Master of Science and PhD students. So the second speaker is Marcus Babin. So Marcus Babin was born in Austria, where he also started his scientific career with a bachelor in environmental system science at the Technical University of Graz in 2017. He then went on study sustainable energy and solar energy at the DTU, which he graduated in 2020. Currently, he is working on his PhD at the Photovoltaic Material and System Group at DTU, Department of Photonic Engineering. His current research effort focus around building integrated photovoltaics with all its connected topics, including PV coloring technologies, optical characterization, modeling, and simulations. His recent and current research topic include goniometric reflectance, BRDF, measurements and modeling of different glass surfaces for glare characterization, optical modeling of colored interlayers to assess impacts on both performance and appearance, and reliability assessment of different BIPV products. In addition to his research, Marcus Babin is also participant in the IEA PVPS Task 15 on BIPV and member of the CIETC 285 on BRDF measurement. He is also involved in teaching activities within the solar energy study in line at the DTU. So guys, now I give you the floor. So we will have 4 presentations of around 30 minutes. And after each presentation, we will have 15 minutes for question and answer. So we are in a webinar mode. So if you want to ask question, use the chat. So I will select the most relevant question at the end of the presentation and ask to the 2 speakers to answer to the questions. And if we have additional time, I will give you the hand to speak, and you will be able after raising your hand. Is it okay for everybody? So Marcus, and soon I give you the floor.